Question 14. Speciation occurs when what happens? We will build an intuitive picture, then answer the multiple choice question, and end with clear examples. Here is the question. Speciation occurs when A. Enough differences accumulate between two populations that they can no longer interbreed. B. Gene mutations accumulate. C. Two populations become geographically isolated. D. One population moves to a different area. Speciation is the formation of new and distinct species. Under the biological species concept, a species is a group that can interbreed and produce fertile offspring. The key moment is reproductive isolation. That means even if the two groups meet again, they can no longer successfully interbreed. Start with a single population with gene flow. Now, a barrier splits the population, so gene flow stops. Over time, mutations, natural selection, and genetic drift change the two groups. Eventually, they become so different that they can no longer interbreed. Therefore, speciation occurs when enough differences accumulate that the groups are reproductively isolated. That is option A. We will highlight it now. The other choices describe steps that can lead to speciation, but they are not the defining event. Mutations supply variation. Geography can block gene flow. Moving areas can start separation. But speciation is complete only when interbreeding no longer works. Example 1. Allopatric speciation. A physical barrier like a river or a mountain range splits a population. With no gene flow, the two sides diverge. After enough time, even if the barrier disappears, they can no longer interbreed. Example 2. Sympatric speciation. Groups split while living in the same area, for example by choosing different habitats or foods. Assortative mating keeps like with like, and over time differences build. Once interbreeding no longer happens successfully, speciation is complete. Wrap up. Speciation is the process by which new and distinct species form. The finish line is reproductive isolation. Therefore, the correct answer is enough differences accumulate between two populations that they can no longer interbreed.